Hi, I'm Scott Naito, owner of Fairway Exteriors. We do a ton of window and door replacements in Shawnee. And a lot of times what it comes down to is if we're doing all the windows in a home, a lot of homeowners really are looking at Marvin fiberglass, the durability. They're made locally in Kansas City, Kansas. They're very versatile. So a lot of homes in Shawnee that are newer have casements. When you do casements, you really want to focus on something strong enough to be able to open long term. So we really focus on fiberglass at that point. There's a lot of older homes in Shawnee that it's single pane, they don't work, they're not energy efficient. For a lot of homeowners, we do vinyl replacement windows with the awesome vinyl replacement window. That's totally fine. And so it depends a little bit exactly where you live in Shawnee and how old your home is. We also do a lot of Previa door front entry systems, a lot of Previa door sliders in Shawnee based on the homeowner's needs.